Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the cleaning and maintenance of your kitchen blender. Before handling the machine, make sure the machine is turned off and unplugged. Dismantle all parts. Remove the lid. Remove the lid cap. Remove the lid seal. Remove the bowl. Use the spatula to remove the blade. Unscrew the blade ring. Remove the blade assembly from the spatula. All the parts except the blade are dishwasher safe. The blade needs to be washed by hand. Clean the motor base and the control panel. Dry with a clean cloth. Dry all parts before reassembling. Cleaning requirements may vary from country and region. Please make sure to follow your local guidelines. Using the wrong chemicals can damage your machine. Please consult your chemical supplier for best practice. Attach safety and operating instructions chart to the wall near the machine. For more information, refer to your instruction manual.